Keeping your operating system running on the latest version no longer needs to be a chaos-inducing process. Red Hat Enterprise Linux has a tool that can help ease that transition. My name is Eric the IT Guy Hendricks, and I'm a technical marketing manager here at Red Hat. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Leapp and demonstrate how to upgrade from RHEL 7 to RHEL 8. With Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 well into the maintenance phase of its lifecycle, it's time to start looking toward the next step on your infrastructure's journey. RHEL 8 brings with it a predictable release cadence, the latest in security tools, and innovations in application distribution. Let's face it, redeployments are expensive, they cost time, and tie up valuable technical resources. It requires building out replacement hardware or virtual machines. You have to rebuild configurations from scratch, resubscribe systems, and reinstall applications. With readily available tooling, all that time and effort can be saved by executing an in-place upgrade. It lowers the level of complexity and drastically reduces the amount of time and energy required. That is where Leapp comes onto the scene. Install the Leapp utility, run the upgrade check, and let the Leapp tool do the rest. You can take your RHEL 7.9 instances to the latest EUS release. That's typically the latest even-numbered minor version. Whether you're using the built-in Leapp command line tool or integration with Red Hat Satellite, you can identify potential repository conflicts or correct application issues before initiating the upgrade, greatly decreasing the level of effort required during a planned maintenance window. Do you need help getting started? Red Hat Consulting Services have executed many successful engagements with customers, further decreasing the drain on resources and time required to complete a full upgrade of your entire infrastructure to RHEL 8. So are you ready to leap into action? Oh, come on, you had to give me just one leaping pun, right? What you are looking at is a vanilla RHEL 7.9 virtual machine. Before we can install the Leapp upgrade tool, we need to enable the server extra RPM repository on our system. Let's enable it from the subscription manager tool. With the repository enabled, we can run our yum install on the Leapp package. With Leapp installed, we need to provide it with some additional information, the Leapp answer file. This file gets placed under var log Leapp answer file. From RHEL 7 to RHEL 8, for example, there are changes in the PAM PKCS11 modules that are incompatible with RHEL 8. The stanza basically says to skip the check for this module. The incompatibility will be addressed during the upgrade process. If this check were to run during a live upgrade, the pre-check would fail and not allow the upgrade to proceed. The pre-upgrade tooling helps identify known issues that would otherwise cause the upgrade to fail. For more complex upgrades, you can choose to address other issues that may be found by the pre-upgrade process. With the answer file and our module check skipped, we are ready to start the upgrade. This doesn't require any additional arguments. However, I added the reboot option so the server will reboot once the upgrade is complete. From here, Leapp begins with an inventory of the host system. Next, Leapp registers the RHEL 8 repositories and disables the RHEL 7 ones. Leapp will begin the upgrade by replacing the operating system packages and libraries like glibc and the kernel. The second pass will start upgrading sort of the next layer of packages like firewall-d and network manager. With the base OS packages replaced, Leapp builds a new image. Now, with our packages up to RHEL 8 and our new boot image in place, the server reboots. From the grub menu, we can see our server boot into an upgrade-specific environment. From here, our server begins putting the new packages in place, cleaning up the old, and verifying the integrity of our operating system. Leapp then generates an after-action report and stores it in var log Leapp. The system reboots one last time, this time to relabel all the affected files with new SE Linux contexts. When our system comes back online again, we have a RHEL 8 system ready for our use. And that's all there is to it. If you'd like to learn more about Red Hat Enterprise Linux, start your free trial at redhat.com/tryrhel. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comments if there are other tech tips you'd like to see, and be sure to subscribe to get more content just like this. Until next time.